Hello everyone, my name is Kemi Tayo. Today we'll be talking about proportions. As the word sounds, literally, it means portions. When you say the proportion of one thing to another, you're simply saying the portion of one thing to the other. For example, we say cut a string in the proportion 2:3:4 or 2:3:4. It means we want you to cut the string according to these given portions. Now, when the string's length is given, for example, if a string is 27 centimeters, the question says, what is the length of the string A, B, and C when you are to cut the string in the proportion 2:3:4? The information given is the total length of the string and the proportion in which the string is to be cut. Now, to do this, the total length given is 27. The next thing to do is to find the total ratio. That is 2 + 3 + 4. That will give us 9. We're going to take the proportion over the total ratio times the total length. That will give us the length of each string. The first portion is 2. So to find the actual length of that string, we will take 2 over total ratio times 27. Simplify. 9 will divide 9 one time, and 9 will divide 27 3 times. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 centimeters. So the actual length of string A is equal to 6 centimeters. Let's go on to find the actual length of string B. We take the second ratio 3, which is the portion given. We'll have 3 over the total 9 times 27. 9 will divide 9 one time, and 9 will divide 27 3 times. So we have 3 times 3. That will give us 9 centimeters. The actual length of string B is 9 centimeters. And the last one, 4. That will be 4 over 9 times 27. In the same way, 9 divides 9 one time. 9 divides 27 3 times. 4 times 3 equals 12. The actual length of string C is 12 centimeters. These are simple proportions or direct proportions. And when we say simple and direct, we mean that the relationship between them is direct, such that when one increases, the other increases. When the ratio increases, the actual length increases. That is direct relationship. For example, you have a man spends 5 naira in one day. In 2 days, how much would he have spent? He would never spend less, which means if in one day he spends 5 naira, in 2 days, he would have spent 2 times 5. That is 10 naira. That is also a direct relationship. That is a direct proportion. A baby weighs 7 kilograms at a year old. At 3 years, the baby is expected to have increased in weight as he has increased in age. So we have 7 times 3 to give us 21 kilograms. I am trying to describe to you direct proportion, direct relationship. As one increases, the other increases. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you and bye.